Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the equalizer on Spotify. So all you have to do is open Spotify on your cell phone. So simply open it up, and when you open it up you will need to tap on home, and then you will need to tap on this gear at the top right. So just one tap on it, and then as you notice you'll have all of these options. What you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on playback, and then as you notice right here it says equalizer. So one tap on the equalizer, and simply right here you can choose the equalizer. You can simply scroll down and tap on whatever you want, or you can move these bars up and down. So for example, if I can you can play and listen, so you can simply move them up and down and play with it. Alright, so this is how you can use the equalizer on Spotify mobile, and I don't have a premium, but still I can use the equalizer. Alright everyone, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.